Welcome to part 2 of my intermediate hula hoop tutorials. This is Coach Allie here at the Circus Arts Conservatory. First trick we're going to learn today is called kickstart. I kick my hoop to the left, so I'm going to place my left foot in, push the hoop back onto my right foot, and then the hula hoop will be on the back of my left heel. So I'm going to kick the hula hoop with my right foot so that it turns to the left, and I'm just going to keep that foot out of the way. Alright, we're going to do that again, but this time, after you kick it, you're going to stick your foot into the hoop when it's open in the front with a flex foot, and then once you feel the hoop on the front of your foot, you're going to pop that foot up, stick your foot in, and you'll knee hoop. That's going to take more than one try, obviously, but keep it up. The next trick you're going to do is called Wedgie. You're going to place the hula hoop between your legs and go ahead and stick one leg into the hoop. Alright, from here you're going to kick your legs side to side so that the hoop starts going up and down. Make sure you're kicking those knees side to side. At the top of the kick, you're going to stick the outside leg in to the back of the hoop. Next trick we're going to do, we're going to bring it up to our neck without grabbing the hoop. So you're going to start the hoop on your waist, you're going to stick your arm in, the other arm in, and shimmy it up to the top. I usually spin in a circle when I do this. To bring it back down, stick your arms out and let it go lower. We're going to add on to neck hooping, and we're going to do a duck out. So for this trick, you're going to start the hula hoop on your neck, you're going to stick your left shoulder in if you turn your hoop to the left, and you'll do the opposite if you turn your hoop to the right. And once I've got my shoulder into the hoop, I duck my head out once the hoop is in the front of me, and then I'm going to reach out with that left arm, grab the hoop, and at the back I switch to my right hand. Alright? Shoulder in, duck your head out, grab, switch. From the previous video we learned how to foot hoop. Now we're going to add on to that, and we're going to do candlestick. So you're going to start the hoop with the wide hands, and you're going to twirl your foot in this motion, and then you're going to have your arms out to the side. You're going to press so that your legs go up, and then you're going to push your hands, your palms, on your lower back to keep yourself balanced. And you want to make sure your foot is straight up and you're not folding over. Hands out to the side, press against the ground, hands below your back for balance. And slowly lower yourself down with your hands out to the side. Thanks for watching CAC Connects. Stay tuned for more hula hoop tutorials to come. And remember, keep calm and circus on.